Your insights are magnificent.
Philosophist.
Is that it? Okay? Yeah. We've absolutely had a brilliant weekend. I mean, from start to finish, chilled, good people around us, excellent racing, bashing, you name it, we did it. The video is going to be epic.
So stay tuned. Stick around to see what's going down.
Even the burgers. And the burgers. Oh, stick around for the rest of the video, guys. You'll see exactly what we get up to at the greatest RC event in the country, Paddlesworth.
He do just be powering up the Xmaxx because we got a little bet on with one of our subscribers up there. He wanted some merch, so we got some merch right there, look, right there, and a servo as well. Xmaxx v Xmaxx, if he beats me in a race, then we give him the merch, otherwise he got to be paying, bruv.
If he doesn't, we'll be back for me ridiculing him. Any thoughts?
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
50-50 chance, yeah.
Well, I got a nice little starting spot there, so.
One, go! Whoa! No!
Oh, he's overshot it. Oh!
Dirty tactics there, Luger. Dirty
Oh,
tactics.
hang on, what lane's he in?
Oh,
There's definitely some corner cut in there.
Oh, I've rolled it.
Oh,
Come on, no.
Come on, Ark!
Don't get him.
Wow! I'm getting done dirty by the marshals here.
Oh no! Oh no! Logan, where you going? Where you going, mate?
Pick me up, quick! Oh
Logan!
Wow! Get set, go!
He's definitely
Definitely
then.
a false start there, isn't
He's
it?
been watching your tactics.
Stay on your wheels, just stay on your wheels.
Great on, bro.
They're drifting nice on the wet grass. Oh, he's definitely slowed down. Where are you going, dude?
no! This one doesn't
Whoa,
go.
that was lucky.
My batteries are gone.
Oh no! Oh no!
Does that count as 2-0? I feel like we just did him dirty again. Logan? Is that 2-0?
No!
It's not 2-0. No. Are you ready for this? Winner takes all.
Get yourselves ready. On your marks.
See, dirty tactics.
Yeah,
dirty
see.
tactics.
Get set. Go.
Oh no! Yeah, leave it off.
You let him get ahead of you there, B. Oh,
yes!
Wow!
Hang on. That was a serious cut. That was a serious cut.
Hang on, if we're playing like Logan,
You're going to crash.
I've won. He's still trying to get a head start.
Get set. Go.
Wow. Oh, he's spun out.
What are you doing?
Oh no!
Oh my god, that
How
is...
did that fly?
Oh, please say I got that on camera.
I hope so, because you were pointing at it.
Look at it.
You got a bit of a tyre problem there, mate.
Your Xmaxx is a wetty and all, mate. Go on.
He's cutting corners again, isn't he?
Oh no, I can't believe that! Have you seen the state of that?
What part of your tyre at the same old way up here?
Despite his like numerous cheats and one win from about 5 races.
Now let me off with the wheel.
Let you off with the wheel. I've got a bigger hole in my body than you have in your wheel. What do you reckon? Did Logan win?
No.
No?
No, I don't think he did.
I think with that performance, you should just drive home. Just go home, mate. Just go home. Call it a day and go home.
It took me 8 hours to get down here, man.
8 hours?
I was stuck on the M25.
Jesus. Was that drive worth that absolute violation of a race?
Yes, it was.
He cut out more of the track than he actually ran.
Billy,
What?
sit on that chair.
Whoa!
No.
Wait, oh my word! Watch your van! Watch your van! Whose van's that?
Zoe Clarkson.
Whose van is it?
Clarkson's.
Sorry!
He's loving it, mate. He's loving it.
He's inside you. He's trying to hide the flat. Look at this.
How close was it?
Eh?
How close was it?
You were within like sort of that.
Top to bottom. If you want to charge him for that, you're quite welcome.
Get in that chair.
That was there before.
It's coming in 2 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
2 seconds, right?
He's balancing. Let's go move this.
Oh, what was that?
That's the pinion gone.
Oh, that was smooth. Steady. Endo. This thing is planted and won't roll over. Dun, dun, dun.
He's back, guys. Do you want to drive this time?
No, I'm good. I was enjoying you winning.
Oh, did you hear that? He was enjoying me winning. Me v Logan 2.0.
Are we going to be nice to him, or are you just going to mince him?
I don't know.
Just mince him and then be nice to him.
Just mince him, then be nice to him.
Get set. There you go.
I guess we go then. Oh, I've taken everyone out.
Could have bought him dinner first. Oh! Don't ruin it, Logan. Don't let the pressure get to you. Logan's gonna crash. Here he goes, here he goes.
Oh, this is tense.
Oh no! Come on, get back on, he's gonna crash. Logan's gonna blow it. There he goes. I told ya. B, what you, oh, you, oh. Oh, nice!
That was smooth. I swear no one knows what doing, man.
Oh, go on. Here it comes. Look at that, look at that.
Oh, look at my man.
Oh, look at Logan trying to do cartwheels.
Steering is no good on the Xmaxx.
See, you're throwing it away here, mate. Just get that nose down. No! Where are you going? Oh, oh! He stopped, he stopped.
Oh, no! Oh, I'm just going to crawl it around Logan. Logan! Oh, crap.
Oh, please! Thank you!
Logan, look, cross the line. Logan! Our Xmaxx is dead.
Ah, wait, so I win.
No.
That's what you just said. That's the one. He's cheeky, isn't he? Have you noticed the first letter in your name is an L?
And that's what we're taking away from this, mate.
How nice do we want to be? Very nice. How nice is very nice?
Just think about it, alright? I've won 2 out of like 10 races, alright? So
2 out of 10. So you're saying we...
Now you're saying you lost 8.
Yeah. That's
Mate,
a pretty bad record, mate.
I'm a certified leg end.
Can you just verify that for us?
Hey, he's getting naked.
All right, yeah,
There you go,
yeah.
there you go.
All right, that's fair. On that note, then, I think we got something for you, Logan. Oh, he's got safe hands. I won't throw this one because that's what the good lads were.
Oh.
Look at that.
Thank you.
That's what you get for losing 8 races.
Thank you.
Just walked past our car. Look at that. Wonder who did that.
That's pretty good.
Look at that. Beauty.
It does move up.
Yeah. It's one of those cars, it's just satisfying to watch, isn't it? Oh, I just got stabbed in the leg. Man down. Because I might bleed out now, guys, I think you should all subscribe. What do you think?
Subscribe!
Let's give it a nice little flex test on the car that has like 0 flex. Although, oh,
Yeah,
that does look wicked though.
It's Element.
Oh, nicely done. Oh, he's ruined it. There you go. Oh, okay. That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Drop it like it's hot. Oh, you got there, Chris. How did you get there?
I fell.
Nice. Oh, that rear wheel. Flex right there.
Now we're just not to bother.
Easy. Pat's got the skills. Look at that control right there. Beautiful. Nicely done there. Oh, look at that. Battle of the Titans.
I think the slippy wheel.
Hey, yeah, we're getting a few more here. Look. We're getting a few more. What's going on?
Put the lights on flashing.
He means business, look. He's got the lights on.
Oh, yeah.
He means business.
Well, I'm starting here.
3, 2, 1, go!
What is this? Oh! Wow! You just ruined it! Wow!
3, 2,
Get to that
1,
middle.
go!
I like this shot. No! Right, give me back the controller.
Oh, it's gonna go for Pat.
Right, he ain't fully off yet. That one's like a whole...
Yeah, he's definitely off.
There you go, now he's off.
Oh, Pat's down, nose up.
Go on, Pat, go on, Pat. Oh, take him out, Pat, take him out. Oh, cheeky. 2, 1, go. He went in for the kill.
Team up.
Oh, he's made a comeback right there.
What's going on here? Come on,
That is a comeback. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Wow.
2, 1, go.
Oh, Pat, that was dirty.
Yeah. I'm gonna get my brakes on his tire.
I think he's got you there.
Done him.
He's got you there. Oh, look at that.
Winner, chicken dinner.
So then 3, 2, 1, go. Go on, beat, back it out. That's it, nice. Oh! Yes, that's it. Good job, Dave. What are you doing?
Oh, that one's good.
Oh! He's done it! He's done it!
Put him in the pit.
Hey!
He just pulled that truck out the van as well.
That was good fun. That was good fun. Hey, I got a second place in that.
Well, not a very good second place.
Second place is second place.
Yeah, all right, I'll give you that.
Look at this, guys. It's Dick Dastardly. That's the name. Ask in the comments why it's named that, because I'm certainly not saying it on screen. Then we have the Yellow Beast. What's the name of this one?
Look at the red.
Fenton.
Fenton.
That's Fenton.
Fenton
Run away in
versus
the field,
Dick.
he was named after that.
Let's go. Oh, look at him flying. Oh, man. Come on, Dick, here you go. Seriously?
So, a couple of laps in and the EXB is
It was
down.
flying. It was flying.
I'll tell you what,
I have
the
to say.
power of it is incredible.
Yeah, it was flying.
I mean, mine was moving, but that thing, you've really got to think about throttle control. I mean, like this big bada boom right here,
Yeah, that is a great
that
car.
thing, when you get that on the track later, you'll absolutely love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it. But you're gonna have to stay tuned for that because that's coming later. So what they got to do?
Subscribe, obviously.
Nice.
Subscribe or we're coming after you.
Yeah.
And if he doesn't get you, then he'll tickle you or something.
Wow.
I don't know.
We'll send Elmo to tickle you.
So now we were just about to head over to the track, and then we were informed by such reliable sources that
Ketchup.
what?
Ketchup.
Ketchup, because man's got sauce. That apparently it's time to send some stuff, so you know we love a good send. Look at them all the way down there figuring out how far far really is. And we got people like Martin sending his car. Look at it move. You can just hear it. And we got Richard Robinson about somewhere as well. We got Bournemouth with his snow build, whatever he calls it. So there's going to be some distance. I'm picking up some pace. Oh. Oh, that was a landing, huh? That was a recovery and a half. Yeah, I don't know what he's done, but he's going again. Take 3. He's just taking his top off, has he? Nice. Bit of a jumping nude. I've had him jump at me on.
Another happy landing.
Nice. It sounds soft to land, doesn't it? Nice. He's even got that self-writing down. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing. Nice air control right there. Nice air control. It looks like seriously high from here. It do be Bournemouth. So this is like the snow plow thing. Snowmobile. That's a bit squirrely. Jesus. Oh, oh, oh. That died of death.
That definitely died, didn't it?
That died of death. Did you hear it in the air though? It's like a jet, wasn't it? Right, Martin's back, so I don't know what he's jumping now, whether it's the same car or a different one. But he's going again, so he's hit the ramp that time. Nice, beautiful, beautiful.
Leggings, support RC next Tuesday. Become one. Subscribe now.
Damn, oh, he hits it though. Fair play. Nice, nice. He nailed that. He nailed it. Fair play. But he built that in slowly and oh. Interesting. Very interesting tactic. Jesus Christ! He's landed it on the body. D! Is that the finger you were talking about earlier?
You go like that, straight down, it just goes all wonky, doesn't it?
Yeah, you could tell. Hell of a jump though, I'll give you that. It wasn't bad, yeah. It landed in, you see like the thorn bush behind him.
So what am I, like 90% on the best?
You gotta be up there. I reckon like top 20. Nah, I reckon you're up there. You gotta be. Here he comes, look at that. And there he goes. Jesus. Oh, he took it like a champ. Look at him, he took it like a champ. That was smooth. Mr. Steal Your Girl over there. Mr. Steal Your Girl.
What we do here is go back.
There you go, Dean's coming back. How far do you reckon his LMT is gonna go though? There he goes, look at that, look at that. Oh, wow! That was some serious crunch.
It completely smashed the ramp!
Yeah, we didn't want to ramp anyway, Dean. Cheers, mate. That is a snap.
Look at the ramp.
Look at that.
Completely snapped the ramp.
Oh, Jesus, Dean.
That's not the ramp.
Dean,
Bit of super glue.
that was spectacular, mate.
Thank you.
Spectacular.
You need to-
This right here, this is what it's all about. Look at that control there. Nice, lovely. Oh, and a little flip. Cheeky. Oh. Armature. Last time we were here, he wanted to drive the K8. He's been saying all day, let me drive the K8 today, I'll actually have a go. And then it comes to getting the K8 out, we're racing against Shanks over there, and Bournemouth over there, possibly a couple of others. And he goes, no, I don't want to race.
Yes, sir. Go! Shanks, Bournemouth, and it's Billy bringing up the rear. There goes Shanks. There's a little and then it's Bournemouth. And then Billy's overtook Bournemouth. Shanks is gone. Oh, Shanks has lost it. And here comes Billy bringing up the rear. They can't bloody drive, so I have to go and fix their problems. RCunextttuesday. Bloody nightmare. On your marks. Get set. Go! Shanks is winning again. Bournemouth, Billy. Oh! Bournemouth's out of it. And here they go. Shanks, Bournemouth, here he goes. Shanks is in. Billy. What is wrong with your driving?
Alright guys, I've finally managed to get him to have a race because I don't want him moaning again. I've nearly broken it twice, so it's his go now. Go! Oh, that was harsh. That was harsh. They're just trying to make me do laps of the track here, lads. They're trying to get me included in the race. 3, 2, 1, go! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, nice! Oh, wow! Bournemouth! That was amazing!
That's a hobby.
Go on, Dean. Go on, lad. He's a madman. Look at him go. He's on it. He's not even losing. How is that even possible? Smurf's placing bets that you don't make the lap there. Come on, Dean. So what are you saying to the K8 on the track?
I love it.
Besides the fact you can't keep it on its wheels? No. Or on the track?
No.
Or on the track?
To be in my defence, I won one
Here
and I
we
could have
go.
won two.
You could have won two.
Yeah,
So you won one and you didn't win two.
No, me.
I was waiting for a baby outcast to come out of him.
Pure wisdom here from Smurfler. Pure wisdom.
Like a Viking
Wow.
storming.
That's quite descriptive.
If you need any more description, feel free to ring me at any time.
There you go. You want descriptive Smurf Shaman?
3, 2, 1, go.
Nice, nice. Nice. That was perfect.
2, 1, go.
Oh, he bumped him straight off. Bumped him straight off.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Electrical piles.
Oh, look at that. Cheeky little helping hand there. Bromanship. Nice. Is that like a science or something?
It actually is. It's like a cult, but it's also an adjective.
Wow, that was like some in-betweeners level sarcasm.
It was really bad.
I know.
What we do here is go back.
Here he comes, first lap with a hoe bow. Oh, he's ruined it. First jump. Oh, flip with a centaur. Ouch. Nearly. Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Beautiful scent. Oh, beautiful control. Nice recovery there.
Not that bad.
Nope, take it with you to find Elmo. Oh, you found it? I was expecting you to be gone longer than that. Ain't nobody trying to get a close up of me, Corey.
Everyone's trying to get closer to you.
Listen, cut the recording. Cut that.
That sounds a little bit sus.
Definitely so.
How's Elmo doing today?
He almost died earlier.
He almost died earlier, so he didn't die. That's a nice cap you got there, Corey. Nice beanie.
Yeah.
Nice beanie. Representing in style, huh?
It's comfy as well.
This kid's weird, guys. And I'm not talking about Elmo.
It was not me.
You're a bit sus, mate.
No, I'm gonna say this guy said.
Please lay him out. Lay him out.
The master, the flagship, the beast.
You sure that's just win?
The DBXLE. We did the diffs on this like last week though, so we're running it on 6S now just to see the difference it's made and whether or not it's all good or whether or not it needs a bit more work. So Elmo over here, look. He's chilling with a front row view. Best seat in the house, eh, Elmo? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that techno's away. Go on, full throttle, full throttle. All of the throttle. Ooh, a little bit wide.
Oh, he got under me, didn't he? Damn. He's just enough to look at. Oh, we're gone.
Absolute trooper here, look guys. Absolute gent has brought my heaviest car on the track over for us. What an absolute gent.
Brakes down, can you brake down here?
Cheers, dude. Just in there, look. There's no longer any teeth touching. So that is a win. It looks a lot more controlled. The wheels are all spinning at the same time. So with a bit more power, that is going to be a win. Happy days. Happy days.
On your marks. Get set, go. I can see him bullet, man. Go on, B. Look at it, move. Right, bin it, bin it. Whatever. I can't wait for it. Good, Mark. Oh, nice, nice. There he goes, go on. Who are you chasing down? Who's in front of you, B?
Huh?
Who's in front of you?
I don't know, top the top.
Nice. Boom legs. Oh, Jesus. On your marks. Get set, go. Oh, he's spinning out, mate. He's trying not to go over his car. Oh, sorry, don't leave me. You left me, sorry. Ready?
Hold on, where's the car though?
On your marks, go! Oh, my, that's the wrong way. Oh, I love this. Oh, Billy's trying to mount people. See, you're doing well, man. Don't ruin it. Oh, look for body. Nice, nice. Oh, that was a good run.
Don't cut your leg off.
I got another one.
Yeah, but
He's doing it right towards his
Oh,
yeah, I'm scared of him cutting his leg off.
No way. That's those blades that
Look at
snap
that.
as they get.
he's a
blunt.
butcher.
Prepared for the long job.
Yeah, go and get Elmo. Go and mentally prepare him. Look at that. It was made for it. Is Elmo worried yet?
No, not really.
Oh, he's still smiling. Still smiling. Happy days. Are you gonna seat belt him up with cable ties?
Yep. He's got to be safety conscious.
Safety 100.
Yeah, but look at his eyes. If he learns that.
Exactly. So what good's a helmet gonna do? You won't be able to see. No, hang on. The best bit. Look at that. Look at that. What? Nice.
Wondering where it is and what's happening.
It's coming.
Look at it, Shanks. Look at it.
That's awesome.
Is it good?
I think so. Right.
The moment of truth. Oh, he good. He good. Look at him. split. Jesus. Oh, go on. I reckon he's got one more.
Oh, Elmo! Bring back Dave! What do you reckon?
I reckon you break that in gently. That's got one more.
Yeah, I reckon you. Oh, he's off! He's off! I don't think it's a massive fish.
Oh, that's not just opinion. I reckon that diff, I reckon the diff's got. That's moved a bit.
Yeah, it's chewed a little bit, isn't it?
It was the thing one.
Yeah, that is a little bit
The little
shredded.
fix lasted, didn't it? Oh yeah, we're moving there look, as well. There's a
How
2.0
far did Elmo
now.
get?
This is the original one. Right. Near where Pat is.
Elmo's
30.
best 30 metres.
That ain't bad. 30 metres for Elmo. Not bad.
Where'd you
And
get this
he
Elmo
wasn't
from?
even intending on driving this year, was he?
No, it was
We
just
just
a-
brought him to
yeah.
see what he missed out on last year. Cheers, Logan. Cheers, mate. You're a top geezer, Logan. That's it. Throw it over your shoulder.
That's not what you said about him last night, did he?
Shut up, Pat. Top geezer. Top geezer. I said how great you are, mate, and how much you're a top geezer for carrying my car. You're a champ, mate. You're a champ. Where did you disappear to with Elmo? I've managed to get Elmo back from Corey with a trade. Because he's been a good little legend this weekend, he has, to be fair. As annoying as he's been good. But there you go. He's not very good with clothes, so we'll forgive that.
He's putting it over a hoodie, man.
He's putting it over a hoodie. And to be fair, it took him nearly 48 hours to figure out how to put a hoodie on. So we'll forgive that, you know. But there he is. Look at that. Look at that.
Chloe, who you got there? Why have you got Elmo?
She's the Paddlesworth boss.
She's the what, mate?
She's the Paddlesworth boss.
How do you know that's the real Elmo?
He's got the official mark.
Ooh,
The official mark. Yeah, look at his eye. As
nice.
if the eye is the worst bit of him. Look at this, guys. Look, he's even flying out shot. That's how high she's throwing him. There you go. There you go. Wow. Beat her up, Smurf. Get her, Smurf. You gonna look after him for us, Chloe?
Yeah.